Hi, in this video I would like to present you a mass mailing tool which is built with help of VBA and combines Microsoft Excel, Word and Outlook programs. So first of all, the main functionality and everything is within Excel file, all the code and everything. But this tool also uses Outlook for sending out email, and it uses Microsoft Word where the content of the email is actually created. So what does this tool solve for you? It is not a problem to send out email from Outlook if you need to send the same email to, for example, 10 or 20 people, even 50 or 80 people is not a problem usually. But when we start counting hundreds of people or maybe even thousands of people that you need to address email to, then you might have a problem because your email provider might restrict sending out the email due to the spam regularity. So that is why we need to have a special tool to send out larger mailings to multiple recipients. Okay, so what does the tool do? Let me walk you through this tool. First of all, the red fields are the ones that you need to set up. And let's start checking all of these fields. First field is in case you have multiple accounts in your Outlook. Let me open your Outlook, and this is my first account, this is my second account, and this is my third account. One is company account, one is brand account, and so on. So I have 3 accounts, and here I can select from which account I want to send mailing from. Okay, it depends whether it's something that's related to my work, or is it my personal mailing, or my brand mailing, and so on. So list of accounts is actually available here. If I delete these accounts and I click this button, Get Update Email Accounts, this will automatically retrieve the available email accounts from Outlook, and it will populate this list as you have seen. And in this drop down you can then only select the email account you want to send mailing from. Okay, then this is the second field is optional, and you can set here which is the main recipient of this mailing, but you can also leave this field empty, and in this case the same email address as set here will be also set as main recipient of the mailing. Okay, next field is the subject. Subject is subject of the email. You can please keep it short. Usually it's few words only, and subject is something that is seen here. This is the subject you see here in the email. This is the from field. Okay, so you have understand. So this is the subject field, this is the from field, and then the content of the email, which is in this case, for example, this is the content that you can see in preview here, and the content of the email is something that you can set in Word document. Let me open one test content for you here. Let me show it to you. For example, this is classic, typical Word document. You can put in some headers, you can format it as you want, you can put some images in it, you can put some tables in it, and so on and so on. So this is, for example, this is the content I want to send out to the mailing base. Okay? It can be short, it can be long, it can have multiple pages, so it can have only one page. It can be designed any way you want. Okay, and what I do here is that I only have to select the file that I want to send, and for example, this is the file that with the content I want to send to the mailing base. Okay, another field is optional, and it's attachment to the mail. So if you have a need to send out mail with some PDF attachment or something else, you can just simply select the attachment here, and this PDF will be attached to the mail when it will be sent out. If you do not want attachment, simply delete it and it will go without it. Next field that has to be set is delivery delay. By default, and it cannot be less than 15 minutes. This means that the first mail that will be sent out once you click this button will be only after 15 minutes. Why is this delivery set? So that in case you still have the time to check if everything was set up correctly in the Outlook. Otherwise, if it would go out immediately, then maybe you made some mistake and you cannot correct it. So that is why initial delivery delay is set and minimum is 15 minutes. Okay, and these two fields are quite important, and we are talking about SMTP restrictions. This is related to your email provider, and in order to be able to send out mass mailing, you have to respect your SMTP provider restrictions, and usually they limit each mail to maximum 100 recipients. So each mail can have and can be distributed only to 100 recipients and not more. And the second restriction is how many mails to how many recipients you can send an email within an hour. And usually this is limited to 1,500. And of course you can change these numbers according to your email provider. These are the typical settings: is 100 per email and 1,500 per within an hour. Okay. Then we have only two calculated fields, which will only calculate based on these two numbers. It will calculate how many emails will be sent out in an hour, and this is the delay in seconds between each email that will be sent. Okay, not something you should worry about. This is just informative. Okay, and then before we click this button that will prepare your mailing, we still have one important step to do, and this is list of recipients. Okay, on the code step, here is the list of recipients. These are the emails that email will be sent to. For example, as you will see in this list, we have 5. These are of course test emails, and we have 5,995 email addresses here, and we want to send email to all of them. Okay, so what I will do now, I will click this prepare mailing now button, and just a sec, I'm continuing with recording now. I had to just to solve one little bug in the code. So once we click the prepare mailing now button, you can see here in the status bar of Excel that emails are being prepared, okay, one by one, because we have almost 6,000 recipients. They will be split into hundreds, so we will have to create 60 emails, and of course also the time delay between each email will be set correctly, so that we don't break any of these SMTP restrictions which are required by our email provider. So we have to take care of how many email addresses we package into one mail, and we have to take care of correct delay between each email, so that we don't break the rule of how many emails can we send out within an hour. Okay, so once the process is complete, you get a notification that mailing in Outlook is set. We can say OK, And now if we move to Outlook, okay, you can see because we have used this email account for sending out, and this is the outbox, and you can see it is now filled with 60 emails. And of course each email will be sent at specific time, and you can see the subject if I open one of them, so you can see which email addresses are packed in this email, and you can see the content, which is actually the content from the Word document, including images and everything. So yeah, and these are all mails that are set, and these emails will be sent out one by one according to the time set. Okay, I will now delete them because this is just for test purposes. I will not of course send them out. And yeah, here on the report you can see also mail 1 will be sent at this time. It will include 100 recipients, and the timestamp can be visible here. This is actually the timestamp when the mail will be sent out to this email address. Okay, so this is the report. And yeah, you can order this tool directly or via Fiverr. And in case of any questions, here are our contacts. You can contact us, and yeah, hope this tool will work for you well. Thank you.